this particular website I'm about to show you in this video is the type of website that will pay you free money. This money is unlimited. It is a passive income. So whether you are working, whether you're not working, whether you are sleeping, this particular money will keep entering your account. It doesn't matter whether you are a 9 to 5 worker or you work all through the month. This particular money is the type of money you earn just by sleeping. And moreover, you do not have to pay any money or a penny to start making this particular money online. This money comes to you and it is for free. Hello beautiful people, how are you doing guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to our channel, please do watch, subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you, we love you. So in this video today, we'll be talking about how you can make free money, how you can make money sleeping, and this method is called passive income. I'll be sharing with you two websites that will actually pay you money to do nothing. Basically, you do not have to do any job. In fact, upon your signing up, you'll be getting a free $5 for free if you sign up on this particular website. And as you can see on this particular website, it has over 11,000 reviews and it is trusted by Trustpilot. Well, you all know that any website that is actually trusted by Trustpilot is actually legit. But before I go further, if you have not joined our Telegram channel, please do well to hit the link in the description box and join our Telegram channel. And hooray, 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 I'll be creating a WhatsApp community where people can join and have a discussion. If you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me through the community, especially for those of us that are finding it difficult to chat me from Telegram. So you can join the community and reach out to me. You can discuss with one another, talk about making money online on the community. The platform is free and it is basically for those of you that want to join or you have any questions that you want to ask me. You understand? The community is there for you. But be sure or be aware that I will respond to your comment faster right here. But the community is just for you to meet a group of like minds like you. So without wasting much of our time, guys, let's dive right into the video. This particular website I'm about to share with you now will enable you to make free money because as you can see, it is an easy way to earn money online. It says passive income effortlessly. Without again, you can make money by simply sharing your internet. Start earning now. So all you have to do is to have your internet on. Most of you will turn on your internet, you won't even know how your data disappeared. But then again, there are hidden bugs on your phone that occupy your internet, especially when it comes to updating secret apps and all of that. Well, a lot of you do not know, but this particular website will help you to divert all those data that are being eaten up and convert it to money. After all, it is free money. But before then, if you have to sign up, you have to sign up and get free $5. Then after then you start making your money and it is free. Well, the name of this particular website is called Honeygain. A lot of you know this particular website because I have once reviewed it, but I didn't do an in-depth review about it because I only used it for some time, and after withdrawing money I just left the website. But then again, due to people asking me, they need to make money without doing anything. They need something that will pay them passively, and they don't even have to waste their time or log in on anything. So I felt like this particular video is long overdue. Now there is no restriction. As you can see, it says know exactly what your internet is used for. Once you start using Honeygain, your devices act like view towers and help world famous businesses access the World Wide Web without having to worry about location-based restriction or censorship. Now, this thing do not affect you by location. Like, your location does not matter. Whether you are in Nigeria, in India, in Egypt, in Kenya, in Ghana, anywhere you are, in the US, in the UK, your location does not matter. Now, this particular website is actually saying they can pay you from dollars up to at least over $150 just for you to surf the internet. Now you use the normal data that you use to surf the internet. The normal data that you use to surf the internet is what you'll be using on this particular website. All you have to do is to hit the sign up button, and then you fill in the details that you are expected to fill in. We allow it to load. Now, honey gain is not something, it is not a get rich scheme. Do not get me wrong. All you need to do is to input an email address, input a password, and you hit continue. Once you hit continue, you'll be logged into your account. Now, please be aware that the payment method is PayPal. So if you're looking to open a PayPal account that works in Nigeria, you can actually reach out to me. We can help you open a PayPal account. It is not free, but it is not too expensive as well. So guys, the second website I'll be sharing has an average income of $29, and so far so good. They have over 350,000 happy users. Now, here is what they're saying. They said, let's face it, you don't even use 10% of the internet bandwidth which you pay for every month. Our app will help you get those money back and establish a passive entirely effortless stream of income. Install it now and start monetizing your traffic. Now, some of you will want to wonder on which particular devices can I actually use or install this particular app or this particular, this thing. What you use is either you get a laptop. If you have a Windows laptop, you can use it. If you have an Android phone, whichever Android phone that you have, I think they have the APK app. So if you have an Android phone, you can use it. And if you have a Mac, you can use it. You have a Docker, you can also use it. These devices are the type of devices that you can use. These devices are simply for you to use. Now, once you sign up, you need to do a simple verification. It is quite easy for you to verify. Now, there are no location restrictions because they've lifted almost all the location restrictions they have. Now, this particular website is also good because they will help you to share your internet connection and you make money online. So just install an app and start making money from each byte of your internet connection. So all you have to do is just to ensure that this particular website is actually open at the background of your phone. You understand? You can just open it down and be surfing the internet. If you are the type that is always on Facebook, you can open it down and be, browsing through Facebook. If you're always on YouTube, you can open it down and be browsing through YouTube. So this particular website will help you to maximize your earnings instead of you always wondering, what happened to my data, what happened, and all of that. This particular website will help you to maximize it. Now, the name of this particular website is called Traf Monetizer. Traffic monetizer is, I think it's a short form for traffic monetizer, because they help you monetize your connection data and all of those things. It's spelled as TRAFFMONETIZER. Traffic monetizer. And if you need to know more details about it, you can come here, especially if you want to download. You can download. If you are looking for app developers, like people that can help you build app, you can build app. If you want to be their affiliate, you understand, they also pay you to be their affiliate. What they are trying to do here is actually to pay people, you understand. When they pay people to bring in other people, that's what they are trying to do. So if you probably sign up on this particular website and you decide to bring your friend or your relative, you get 10% of whatever that user is making. Like whatever the accumulated data money is for that user, you'll be getting 10% of it. You understand? So let's imagine that user earns maybe like $1,000. Now you'll be getting like $100 from it. Now, if you have a lot of questions that you want to ask that are a bit technical, you can just come to the FAQ section. If there are simple questions, you can just put them down in the comment section and I will be there to answer all your questions. And please guys, if you have not liked this video, please like this video, subscribe and join the family. If you have any question, put them down. But if those questions are technical, you can come to Trap Monetizers and look through their FAQ sections. Now, what I want to look through is what benefit do I get? So the affiliate payments are lifetime. More active users you bring, more cash will appear in your wallet. So depending on the number of users that you invite, that will determine how much you'll be making from the affiliate earning. So definitely it is not only through your data, money, like through your passive income money that you can earn on this particular website. You can also earn by simply inviting or referring people to sign up on this particular website. And it doesn't matter, once you sign up on this particular website, you can do a lot of things. You can check about their developers, what they do, how much they pay people to join their community, and all of that. And as for the payment method, as for the earnings, when you come down here, you talk about affiliate dashboard for tracking your earnings. Track the success of your affiliate program on a convenient dashboard. Referral registration, payment amount, and earnings. It has everything you need to keep the money flowing. So you do not have any issue when it comes to your referral earnings. You understand? Once you earn money on this particular website, you will get paid. Once you're able to earn $10 with your referral earnings, you understand? And their payment method, before you come out and ask me, you did not mention payment method, I'm still coming there. Do I'm still coming there. So it says you can choose one of the following payout method. So they do not have a specific payout method, they have a lot where you can choose from. So whether you are in Nigeria, or you are in Ghana, or you're in Kenya, or you're in the US, they have a lot of payment methods that you can choose from. It said you can choose one of the following payout method. It has PayPal. If you need a PayPal account, like I said, you can reach out to us. It has Payoneer. If you need a Payoneer account, I have a video on how to create a Payoneer account. Just scroll down through the videos, you'll see it. If you need a web money, you can do with web money. You can open a Skrill account, you can use a Payer account, you can use a Bitcoin account, and if you need a wire transfer, they also do wire transfer. So you do not even have any reason to be scared or bothered. So all you just have to do is just come straight to this particular website here with the commission and everything. Come down here and hit on the sign up button here. Once you hit on the sign up button here, you do what? You fill in the required details. Once you fill in the required details, all you have to do is to make sure that this particular website is open at the background of your phone anytime you want to browse the internet. For the first website and this particular website, make sure they are all open at the background of your phone whenever you want to browse the internet. So without wasting much of our time, guys, if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.